Hello, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I'm sharing a fun card that includes foiling, and it also includes toner card fronts designed by Unity. So for this card, I'm using Unity stamps that are pre-stamped and colored. I'm using Vellum by Paper Tray Ink, and I stamped the flower and the sentiment. I'm using Well Hello There stamp kit, and I'm also using the Deco Foil by Unity toner card fronts. That is, the name of it is Heart Trees, and I'm using Deco Foil spring green color for foiling. I'm using Copic markers that I used to pre-color that trees panel, and I like to stamp onto the pre-stamp onto the vellum. I either heat emboss that or I use StazOn ink, and I use Paper Tray Ink vellum there. I pre-cut and trimmed that trees panel to fit how I wanted it to fit on the card front. You don't have to trim that at all. You don't even have to color it at all, but I chose to color them and trim them a little bit using die cuts. This is a Your Story laminator / book binder. It's great. Any laminator will do on the highest heat setting. You can see I pre-colored with Copics that toner sheet. Wherever you see black and you use foil and heat set that, heat using the foil, the black will turn the color of the foil that you're using. So in this case, I'm using that green, spring green. So it's easier to go ahead and pre-color on these toner sheets before you add the foil so that your Copics don't become damaged, your Copic tips. So you don't have to color it at all. It looks fine without any color. So there you go. You carefully peel that off, and you have another sheet that you can use with a regular black toner sheet if you want a second card using that negative. So I just tied a little bit of hemp twine around that background layer, and then I adhere that to the card front. And for the vellum piece, just to add a little adhesive, I use a flat double-sided clear adhesive, and I like to add it to the stamping, the image, and maybe behind the sentiment. Instead of covering the whole area, I just add those tiny places for adhesive so that it doesn't show through the vellum very much. And there you go. You have this really sweet card for most any occasion, and it's wonderful to give for any time of the year. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.